Sayyid bin Musayyab states that Allah's Apostle ﷺ has forbidden muzabana and muhaqala. Muzabana means bartering fresh dates for dried dates, and muhaqala means selling the standing crop of a field in exchange for grains, ears of wheat for wheat. And he ﷺ proscribed from taking land on lease. And Salim bin Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet ﷺ, do not sell fruits before they reach the usable stage, nor should you sell fresh dates for dried dates. And Salim said that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu narrated this hadith to me from Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiyallahu anhu, that Allah's Apostle ﷺ had permitted bartering fresh dates for dried dates in case of araya transaction, but not in other things. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3855.